In this video, I'm going to show you how to see a full client history before making a call. This is crucial for ensuring you're fully prepared and have all the context you need to engage with your client effectively. Stick around because I'll also be sharing a free trial of the software we're using in this video, available exclusively to viewers of this channel, so don't miss that. To get started, the first thing you need to do is find your client's profile in your CRM or the system you use to manage customer data. If you're using software like this, simply search for your client's name in the search bar. Once you're in the profile, you'll see a variety of tabs or sections that hold important information about the client. This could include their contact details, past communication logs, and history with your company. Make sure you're checking the activity or interaction history section. This will give you a clear view of previous calls, emails, or even meetings that have taken place. You'll want to review this to understand where the conversation left off. If there's a recent issue or a complaint, this section will give you all the details. It's critical to know if they're still waiting on a resolution or if they've mentioned something you can follow up on. Next, pay attention to the notes section. This is where colleagues may have added important reminders or context about the client's preferences, challenges, or specific needs. You'll also find any action items that have been tagged for future follow-ups. In some cases, you might also see a section called Timeline or History. This is a chronological view of the client's journey with your business, from their first interaction to the present. It's a quick way to understand the big picture and any patterns in the relationship. Now, here's a tip that can save you time. Many CRM systems let you set filters. You can filter out the most recent interactions or filter by specific topics or actions that are relevant. This allows you to see only what's important before you pick up the phone. And here's a big one. Don't forget about their account or purchase history. If you're in sales or customer service, knowing what products or services they've purchased in the past can give you critical context. If there's a service or product they've bought recently, make sure to check if they've had any issues with it. You can address concerns directly during your call, showing that you've done your homework. The last thing you should check is whether there are any upcoming appointments, calls, or tasks related to this client. You don't want to double book or reach out at the wrong time, so make sure you're aware of what's on their calendar. Key takeaway: always review the client history thoroughly before making the call. This includes checking communication logs, notes, activity, and purchase history. By doing so, you'll have all the context you need to deliver better service and have a more productive conversation. So, before I sign off, make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we use today. It's linked in the description below and is available only to viewers of this channel. Trust me, this software can save you a lot of time in preparing for your calls. That's all for today. Be sure to review the client's full history and use those insights to your advantage. See you in the next video.